So I just did me some talking to the sun. I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Look at that unusual tree system. Oh my. Things take a dramatic turn right there. That is one strong tree trunk right there, man. Oh, look at that beautiful canopy, man. Wow. I'm very impressed, Mother Nature. So I just did me some talking with the sun. Oh my. Fancy Schmancyville up there. Ocean View, HOA, baby. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the laws of California. Oh my, that's a very big pole as well. Maybe you've seen my video on Nowadays with Andy. A very big pole. Look it up. I made it about 2 years ago. It's pretty funny, really. One of my better ones. I'm still good. I'm still good, Howard. Tiny Archibald. I'm still good, Howard. I float like a bee, sting like a butterfly. How does that go? Woo! Gonna shoot some hoops. We're getting our free throw average up. Thus far, we've come up here to Ocean View Park to shoot 50 free throws 3 times thus far. First time up, I hate to admit it, I made only 1 out of 50 free throws. And I will tell you, I felt weak as heck. Could barely get that ball up over the rim. The line was good. The distance was good. But it did not factor in the height. So this time around, second time out of 3 attempts, I went down. And I tripled my first number. I made 3 out of 50, and it still felt just as awkward. Horrible shooting. Absolutely horrible. Came down here and did it a 3rd time. And would you know, things took. And I made 18 out of 50 on my 3rd attempt. Wow. What did I do so differently? I don't know. But today, I aim to bury that 18 with at least 25. I don't know why 25, but anything over 18 would be an improvement. Anything less than that would be a disappointment. And I certainly think I can make 20 to 25 free throws from the official free throw line here in the park. In the distance, Carmel. Carmel, Monterey, etc. out there across the bay. A very beautiful day here today at the park. Babushka, thank you for going with me, and we got lots of good stuff today. Went out and got some needs taken care of. And so now we're going to shoot our 50 free throws. Oh. I'm going to try to set this camera up. All right. I'll set that up right here like so. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's the extent of the warm-ups. Now we're going to shoot 50 free throws. We need to improve. Our best so far is 18 of 50. What's that, 36%? One for one. Good start. Good start. You saw it. 1 for 1. Two for 2 is a really good start. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. You saw it. Oh, nope. 2 for 3. Two for 4. 50%. Nope. 2 for 5. 40%. Nope, way off. 2 for 6. I am way off to the right. Shooting way off to the right. 2 for 6. 2 for 7. 2 for 8. Oh. Two for 8. 2 for 9. A little bit ambitious on that one. Nope. Good line though. 2 for 10. I better calm down. I'm not going to get my 18. I think that's 2 for 10. 20%. Getting worse. All right. There we go. 3 for 11. Three for 12. Ooh, good line though. 3 for 14. 3 for 13. Oh, 3 for 14. Nope. Whew. 3 for 15. Four for 16. Okay. Nope, way off. 4 for 17. Four 17. Four for 18. Four for only 19. 4 for 19. That was sweet. I saw the sweet spot there. 5 for 20. I felt the sweet spot coming on that one. Felt it there too. 6 for 21. I have to pick up the pace to make our 18 though. Oh! No friendly bounce. 6 for 22. Nope. 26. Get up. 6 for 24, 25% so far. Ooh, 6 for 25. Six for 25. And I just hurt my nipple. All right. 7 for 26. With a sore nipple. All right. Get up. Yep. 8 for 27. Okay, pumping them now. 8 for 27. Nine for 28. I got a little run going here. 9 for 28. Get up. Oh! 9 for 29. Nope. 9 for 30. $10 for 31. Yep. 11 for 32. 11 for 33. 11 for 34. I rushed it because I heard another basketball coming. 11 for 34. 11 for 35. What up, guys? Feel free to shoot in. I'm trying to shoot 53 points. I only got 15 to go. But I know what? Trying to improve my percentage. Believe it or not, so far I've come out to shoot 50 free throws 3 times.
Cool.
First time, because I haven't touched the basketball in 40 years.
Wow.
First time I hit 1 out of 50. Come on, dude. That's sick.
That's awesome.
I shouldn't even admit it.
That's great.
Second time, 3.
Okay.
Last time out, big improvement. 18 out of 50.
Oh, wow.
And right now I'm working on, I think, 15 out of 32, something like that. So.
Okay.
No. Or whatever. But feel free to shoot in,
Cool.
guys. I'll just
Awesome.
shoot whenever I see a break.
Well, I wish you luck.
Yeah, I got to improve that. 18 out of 50 is pretty sad, but at least that was a pretty good improvement last time.
That's awesome.
How many do you think you guys could make out of 50 from the free throw line?
Out of 50,
10. It's harder than it looks, ain't it? I mean, get a good 30, because it's not a very friendly rim.
No, the double rim. I don't know. I'm
Yeah. Sometime if you're having to do that exercise and I see you again, let me know how many you made out of.
All right.
You know? Yeah. Woo! I'm just trying to remember my number. I'm throwing up plenty of air balls, that's for sure. No friendly bounces here. Yeah.
Oh, that one is fun.
I know, it's like it rims right out though. Woo! It's that double rim. Yeah. Yeah, the back of the rim, forget about it.
You might try a bank shot like off the back.
Yeah, that's true too. But I don't know about as a rule for free throwing. I like it from the side.
Nice.
Yeah, I'd rather switch it. But
Swish.
yeah, I get you. Yes. For that action, I'm more likely to try it. Woo! Yes. I'm gonna forget my project for now. I don't care. Just shoot away at will.
Okay.
Whew. Good pass. I don't know what I'm doing way out here.
Now I want to try your challenge.
Yeah. Give a couple goings. 0 for 1. 0 for 1. I can't shoot. There you go. All right, you're gonna be nailing them. As soon as you get that one, you're good to go. I think it took me 30 to get my first one. There you go. Yeah. That's what I was missing with the arc, man. You know, now I've been trying to get the rainbow going. Yeah. That's a nice teardrop shot.
Oh, that was fun. Yeah.
Stroking it still, yeah. You make that one?
4 6.
Yeah. Let me go in for one quickie. Yeah, go ahead. Oh no, I knew that. Second on. Oh, nice. Sometimes you can run in and rush a few and nail a few, but best to set yourself. But sometimes I like to step up and go, oh, running jumper.
Oh, nice.
Woo! Oh, yeah. Nice stroke.
I think that's what?
Oh, you gotta have at least 6 out of like 9, something like that.
10,
Huh?
I think 8 of 10.
8 of yeah, I'm not keeping track.
I don't know.
But for your own information, you're doing great. Whatever you're doing it right. You just repeat things that are working right.
Nice.
Yeah, I consider that working right. It's close enough, right? That's whew. You guys play like a high school ball?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep, we play with high school.
Santa Cruz or what?
No, we're at AFE. We're at AFE. It's over on Redford Falls.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys are on team?
Yep, both of us.
Yeah. How's the team doing this year?
We're better than we have ever been this year.
Okay, you got what position, you guys?
I'm mostly shooting guard. He's mostly shooting guard. I shoot and point guard.
Yeah. I think if everybody had their way, there's 5 point guards out there.
Yeah.
Court, right? Way out. Sorry.
Ah. 9 of 12.
So I'm trying to remember my original number so I can get back to it. Let's see. I think I was 30. 30 seconds. I thought there's no way I'm going to make it. Okay, so 18 out of 35. So I got 5 shots to make all 5 and tie my 18, my previous high. Oh! All right, I can make 4. I'll have 7. Ooh. Yeah. 50. Oh, 16. 16 out of 48. No, 16 out of 49. I'm hoping to make 17. All right. Oh, you knew it the second I left your hands, didn't you? Yep. Last one. Nope. No. Yeah, looking good, looking good. How's your free throwing? Let's check your free throw style.
He and I are the shooters on our team.
Yeah. How many are you going to get out of 3? How many can you get out of 3?
Probably 2.
2 out of 3?
Maybe 1.
All right. That was a hell of a, yeah. Unfriendly rim, 0 for 1. We got you, though. Yeah, I know you got 2 or 3 anyway. What the
I
hell
usually
that
make
was?
1 or 2 of 5. So.
I hear you. Yeah. If somebody's watching you saying, make it, it's not likely to be that easy either. All right, good luck on the team this year, guys.
Thank you. It's not a 3.
Oh, yeah.